Hello, I'm Paula Minogue, the Volunteer Coordinator at St. John's Mercy Hospice. It's my pleasure to be here today to introduce to you our 2009 Heart of Hospice Award winner for Administrative Support Volunteer. Jeannie has been a volunteer since 2006, and I remember when she went through our volunteer training, it was very emotional for her because her husband had passed away in our program in 2001. And since she went through training, she has been a patient care volunteer, providing emotional support to patients as well as caregiver relief for families. She has worked with our bereavement department, helping with countless mailings and data input. She has worked on our special events committee, and what she really loves to do is working with me in our office, providing administrative support. And what Jeannie's enables me to work more closely with the volunteers rather than getting bogged down with the tons and tons of paperwork that's necessary for keeping track of the volunteers' files. So I really appreciate your ongoing support. And Jeannie, tell us what brought you to hospice. What made you want to be a volunteer?
Well, when my husband passed away in 2001, I don't know what I would have done without hospice. And I just knew, it did take me a little while, but I knew I wanted to give back in some way. I was just so blessed to have that, the support. And when I went through training, I know it was a little rough, but I thought, you know, the office administration is sort of my background, and I thought, you know, maybe I can help there. And I have done a little bit of everything. I love seeing the patients, and I really connect with the caregivers. And but though when I saw Paula about just overwhelmed with paper.
Being buried. Jeannie is very intuitive. She like knows what I need without me asking.
I can tell. I don't know if it's a mother thing, but I can tell.
You're not old enough to be my mother.
But I just feel so good that I can help this way, and I can see Paula's a wonderful coordinator, and that's where I knew that, you know, if I could help her, then, you know, she can give her time for the important things, for getting new volunteers and showing them their connection with the patients and their
The administrative volunteers are really the unsung heroes. They're not getting the immediate gratification that they get from families and from the patients. And I just really admire the people that can come in and work behind the scenes and work tirelessly. Jeannie, in the 3 years that she's been a volunteer, has served over 800 hours. In 2009, she served 229 hours. So just thank you, are very deserving of this award at the state level, and we're so proud to have Jeannie Hargis on our volunteer team. Thank you, Jeannie.
Thanks.